on this farm he had an elephant snake. What noise did an elephant snake make? Here and a here, here and there, everywhere. On this farm he had a turkey. Gobble gobble here and a gobble gobble there. Here a gobble, there a gobble, everywhere a gobble gobble. Old MacDonald had beautiful armies going up here up in the front of the wagon. And on this farm he had a dog. Yes, that's classic. E-I-E-I-O. With ruff ruff here and ruff ruff there. Here and there. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a duck. E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, there a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Yay! Such a great wagon for singing.
Terrific.
Stop.